In this video, I will show you step by step on how to import children's sneakers from China using Pinduoduo shopping app. Step by step tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement coach. If you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement coach or procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number on the screen of this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more importation business tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to buy baby sneakers using Pinduoduo shopping. So right here, I'm going to head over to my Pinduoduo shopping app right here. Having opened up my Pinduoduo shopping app, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I add all the items I'm going to purchase into the cart. If you don't know how to add an item to cart, consider to check the video on my channel. I have made a lot of video on how you can add item to cart step-by-step tutorial. After you have successfully add the item to cart, next thing you want to do is to click on here. Then it takes you to your profile right here. So from the profile right here, next thing you want to do is to click on here to visit your cart. Then all the item you have to cart is going to be found right here. So I'm going to buy children's sneakers on right here. So these are the sneakers I'm going to purchase. I'm going to start from the from this one right here. I'm going to click on here to select the item. And I'm going to click on here to select this. I'm going to select this. I'm going to select this. So you can see beautiful sneakers. I'm going to select this. 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 Select this. All right. So having selected all the sneakers right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to checkout. Then you can check the preview and see all the items right here. So after you are successful with everything you selected so far, so next thing you want to do is to make sure your Alipay is selected, and then this one here is click. Next thing you want to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then you click on confirm, then enter your payment password. Boom. It's as simple as that. So you can see payment done successful. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on done right here. Click on done. Then the next thing you want to do is to click on close this pop-up right here. Then you have to go back to your profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the sneakers we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So you can see everything right here. So this is how to buy or how you can import children's sneakers from China to whatever country of your choice. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, consider to click on the subscribe button for more importation business tutorial like this. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Taoba on Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.